Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect piano tree with a computer. For this to work, you will need a MIDI keyboard or a digital piano. Depending on your computer model and your keyboard, you may have to use the new USB, which is a USB-C, or the old USB, which you can see. Now on your screen, you will want to go to settings, and on settings, you will use MIDI. As you can see, my keyboard, which is the KeyStation 88, is connected. This is my interface. Another way to check is if you go to any random song and you play any random note on the piano or your keyboard, you should see the notes on the screen. When you're playing, this should also happen. Wrong notes, and you know exactly where you did wrong.